You were at your job, working part-time, waiting tables. Left a small town, never looked back.
I was a flight risk with a fear of falling, wondering why we bother with love
if it never lasts. I say, can you believe it? As you're lying on the couch, the moment I can see it, yes, yes, I can see it now. Do you remember we were sitting there by the water? You put your arm around me for the first time. You made a rebel of a careless man's careful daughter. You are the best thing that's ever been mine.
Flash forward and we're taking on the world together.
And there's a bunch of my things at your place. You learn my secrets and your